Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to change name and gender of your character in um, Pokemon TCG 2. And also to show you a few tricks how you can actually put a kanji into your name, because that also works actually. It's pretty cool. But first, oops, I forgot. We're going to load save game 2. Just need to restart that. And to show you that everything works as intended, so we have a character here called Lucia.etb or something, and yeah, it works. So let's quickly then shut this down so that we can edit the save file, because the first thing, so we're going to make a gender swap, full gender swap to male, and we're also going to change the name to something fancy or something, I don't know, to some kanji, because it's funny. It's funny. Okay, so first we need this repository, Pocket TCG2. He disassembled the entire game. It's pretty cool. It's a lot of work. He made and everything is described. First, you need the text editor. You need to open the save file. In this case, I have to open this SA2. It is inside of the same folder where your game is, and I just open it up. And you see that in the second row, this is your name. Each character is always prefixed with this character set. Here in this case is 0f, and if you go to text constants, here you see that 0f is equal to tx katakana, so this was correct. We had also katakana symbols, so that was correct. Now let's see, what are the symbols here? So let's check. Tx symbol is equal to 0.5, so let's make that 0.5. You only have 6 characters to actually make your name. And let's make ourselves a plus power, so 1.4. And yeah, plus power just for demonstration purposes. Then maybe 1 kanji. This is text full width 3. Text full width 0 does not work, or at least I did not get it to work. And then with a prefix with 0.3. And then what was the kanji here? It was a 1.4. And then just to show that the rest also works, yeah, katakana. Yeah, let's leave the 0f here as katakana, is fine. And then we also probably want hiragana. Hiragana is 0e, I think. Yep, this is here, 0e, so let's prefix this. Oops, I cannot type apparently. Yep, 0e, and which one do we want? Actually, it's fine. Let's just leave it here. And the rest we're just going to zero out and save. And then we restart the game again. And you'll see that the name should have changed. Yep. This is plus power symbol. This is the neck or whatever. I don't think it is the neck, but I don't know. I don't know the kanji. Then we have a in here and katakana. We did not change that, and we have an e in hiragana. So everything correct. Pretty nice. Now let's do the gender swap. This one is a little bit more involved, and it took me quite a while to get it correct. For that, we actually need the memory view. So it's very cool in the editor. We press Ctrl P now to pause the game. Then we open up Tools, Game State Views, and View Memory. Now this here is a little bit, so I just put this into a different screen. And now comes the really fun part, let's say it that way. We're going to, where do we see this the best? I think, yeah, okay, first we need to change our portrait. So we see that W event vars lives at D59E, at address D59E, so we scroll down to D59E. Ah yeah, and we also have to select working RAM. I mean, that's easier to see then. D59, where is that? I think it's here. And it should be here. And you see that the least significant bit here is set to 1. And this indicates if it is male or female. So female is a 1, male is a 0. Just the least significant bit here. So now we change it to 0. And that should already change our avatar. So let's just quickly check if it worked. Just put the game back into focus. Here, let's look. Control P. And let's look. Yep, our avatar is a male now. Now, the problem is we still have the character is still female, and that is I really took me long to figure out why. Apparently, like the sprite and everything, sprite data is also stored in the save data, but it is unfortunately I'm pretty stupid and I was not able to find where exactly in the save data this sprite stuff is stored and which sprite corresponds to male, female, whatever. So there is a trick, or not a trick, but you have to go outside. Let's go outside. Yeah, unfortunately there's some story shit that I can't skip apparently. He won't let us go outside. I hope he will. Ah, yeah, here. Now we can go outside. Okay, now we're outside. Now we again pause game. And in the memory view, let's just put this back on the right. We now need to edit one last variable. And it is a wPlayer OW object here at D550. D550, where is it? I don't see it. There it is, D550. And here you see again 0, 1. And here it is actually the same thing. I think it's by accident, I don't know. That male is indexed as 0 and female is indexed as 1. So if we change that to 0, then and unpause the game, then we can go back again and we see we have a male character now. Now we save and we reset so that we see nothing is broken. We can just continue. Yep. And oops, now this story cutscene started. But I hope this video helped and you can do some funny things with it. So thank you for watching.